trying to get rich before I leave this bitch. Wake up every day hungry cause I'm hungry for this paper. Got a 4-year-old and she don't come cheap. Every day I smoke weed, keeps my mind at ease. I don't fuck with your lanes, boy, I roll one deep. Got a hella fly swag, yeah, baby, it's official. Attitude ain't friendly cause it's lames in my city. Yeah, I'm chasing after paper, ain't no time for no sleep. A lot of suckers run their mouth, but I tell life stories. A lot of family doing time, fucking with that hard white. So I'm full-time rapping, ain't no more selling hard. Grinding, hustling, mashing for this paper. Swag so official that it give you boys the issue. Staying on my grind, put it in you boys' faces. Staying on my grind, put it in you boys' faces. Grinding, hustling, mashing for this paper. Swag so official that it give you boys the issue. Staying on my grind, put it in you boys' faces. Staying on my grind, put it in you boys' faces.
I got swag for the honeys and work for the comrade. Everything about me adds up like a math class. The belly with the kush is a part of the book. Call it 6 or 3 jump back, Chef RD. Double L made the call for the PRD. It's just another way of saying we disturbing the peace.